New tonight, an interim school superintendent will serve far shorter than she expected. Rockingham County Schools hired Terry Worrell last month. She was supposed to work until June. Well, this week, the board announced she'll leave her position in 2 weeks. The district hired Worrell as a temporary replacement for Dr. Rodney Shotwell after they fired him in December. Well, this month, Shotwell challenged the decision in court. A judge decided he can keep his job until a final ruling is made. We asked the board about letting Worrell leave early. In a statement, it said the board met with its legal counsel in closed session to discuss the lawsuit filed by Dr. Shotwell. Our lawyers have advised us not to comment further on the case at this time. There are so many questions surrounding this situation in Rockingham County. I reached out to an Elon law professor to find out how the judge's recent decision affects the future of this case.
They think that it is likely that Dr. Shotwell will prevail, and that in the meantime, it would cause irreparable harm if he were allowed to remain out of that office. So he's going to remain in that office for the pendency of this litigation.
And it could be a while before this is over. Professor Vanessa Zaboriak told me it could be years since it's complicated and unusual. I also asked her about the district paying 2 people in the superintendent role because it's not cheap. Keep in mind Dr. Shotwell's salary, $162,000 a year.
When they terminated Dr. Shotwell, they did so knowing that they were obliged to pay his salary through 2022, through the end of his contract, as well as the part-time salary for the interim superintendent.
Zaboriak also says she believes Terry Worrell doesn't have any powers since Shotwell is still the superintendent.